Born surfing in the sun and that truth hurting. Covered up with them loose currents. Proof up, 2 turns. A nigga swimming in that new current. It's over though, too scary. While my vision fucked up and blurry. Having thoughts is really scare me. Saving the city like as if I'm Perry. If you fall in love with, then you need a medic. Why you fine, boy, you such a headache. Take another one, guess we addicts. Gotta do this shit in the attic. Why you quiet, girl? You knew we had to. Eating words that we anorexic. It's on us, maybe that's a fetish. Green light, nigga, now you finished. Go, go, nigga. Go, go, nigga. On a rampage, we better go, nigga. Going ghost, nigga. Going ghost, nigga. We ain't gon' talk if you ain't host, nigga. If you gon' follow on my ride, need a bitch by my side. Not going down by a swipe, nigga, I stay up all night. Undefeated like Tyson, I'm venomous like Python. Twisted up like Siphon, nigga, I'm just cycling. 444, staying in my lane. Being in the dark, not showing my brain. No one gets his feeling, mental state be healing. I be putting on my demons, levitating to the ceiling. I'm not tryna feel all holy. I was put down and I was lonely. What you laughing at, you be phony. Looking as if you know me. If you got ghosts, then come show me. I won't fear that they owe me. My demons up and it's still up. Hoping that I won't bleed. Go, nigga. Go, go, nigga. On a rampage, we better go, nigga. Going ghost, nigga. Yeah. Going ghost, nigga. We ain't gon' talk if you ain't host, nigga.